How to fix create Gmail account option not available on Gmail. So first of all, if you want to solve this problem, then make sure to watch the video till the end so that you won't make any mistakes during the process. So first of all, in order to get the create Gmail account option, you just have to go to the browser or you can also open Google application. Once you reach on this page, you have to tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and search create Gmail account. Then you will get access to this interface where you can see different kinds of result here. Simply you need to tap on the first link that says create a Gmail account. And once this page or the interface loads, here is the create account button. Click on it and then you will see the option of create account. And once you tap on create account button, you will see three options that says for my personal use, for my child, or you can also create account for your business or work. You can choose any option and easily create account in Gmail. So that is how we easily solve the issue of not getting create Gmail account option if we don't get it on our Gmail app. So that is how we do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos.